Welcome to Narmada Study Point for the study of English language. Today I have a teaching on voice change part 3 in the English grammar. Okay, so future tense will be taken discussion. So future tense like present and past having 4 categories: future simple, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. But we have to take two forms of tense to be changed from active voice to passive voice. Okay, so see the structure of a future simple. Future simple, subject plus shall, will plus modal means shall, should, will, would, may, might, can, could, used to, ought to, dare, must, need. Okay, so subject, shall, will, then in bracket modal, then verb 1. जदि यही जो स्ट्रक्चर रे थिबो सेंटेंस टी ताल ताको आमे कहिबा इट इज सेड एज फ्यूचर सिंपल. ओके, सो इट्स फॉर्मूला विल बी इन वॉइस चेंज. हियर इज एक्टिव, देन पैसिव वॉइस फॉर्मूला एठी ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस shall, will, then modal, then be plus verb 3. Okay, here is the structure. According to this we can solve many questions if we find in the form of a future simple. Okay, suppose here is taken an example for you. The mother will punish the child. Okay, the mother will punish the child. Here is a subject, then shall will भितर गोटे अच्छी, then verb 1, then the child object part अच्छी. तेणु द चाइल्ड जदि ये सेंटेंस टी को आम ए फॉर्म भितर रखीदे, ए फॉर्मूला भितर बा ट्रिक भितर रखीदे, ताले वी कैन गेट द आंसर. ओके, सो राइट डाउन द आंसर. द चाइल्ड will, here is object completed, shall will भितर गोटे लग रखिली will, then कहीं ना भितर will थिला, जदि ये कान था कैन रही था, जदि एठी मे था मे रही था, माइट थिले माइट रही था, कूड थिले कूड रही था, तेणु एठी will अच्छी, तेणु will लिखिली. द चाइल्ड will, then be, then verb 3 punished by the mother. Okay, like positive sentence we can also mention in the negative sentence to get the answer in the voice change. Okay, so यही sentence टी को मु रखी दूची better हबो understanding पाई. The mother won't punish the child. Okay, active voice, then passive, active, then passive will be what? The child, then we won't or will not be punished by the mother. Okay, so then in interrogative sentence we can change. If we find this question in interrogative sentence, it will be will the mother punish the child? Suppose. So it is active voice रे, passive voice रे एटी जेहेतु मॉडल बिगिनिंग रे अछि से बिगिनिंग रहइबो टू मेक इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस in the form of a voice change. Okay, in the form of a passive voice from active voice. will टा मूले रहिला by beginning रे तार will the child be punished by the mother. Okay, question mark. If we add WH word, मु कहितली WH word गोटे फॉर्म सब रहिबो एक्सेप्ट हु, माने हु को छाड़ी करी आउ सब WH word गोटे स्ट्रक्चर भितर केमती मु एटा को एथरे ऐड करछि. Why will the mother punish the child? ओके, एटा एक्टिव वॉइस. पैसिव वॉइस मु कहितली WH word थिले ताको हिडन करिवो एवं जहाँ ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब थिबो ताको जस्ट आंसर रे लिखा जीवो. मु एटी विल थिला विल लिखिली, किंतु ए स्ट्रक्चर टाको मु ओबे करूची बा एक्सेप्ट करूची. से स्ट्रक्चर भितरे मु जदि ए क्वेश्चन टिको रखी दउची ताले आंसरटा मते मिल जाउची. ताले विल देन ऑब्जेक्ट द चाइल्ड देन बी देन punished by the mother. Okay, completed here. Just shift कली WH word को पाए. तो आंसर हम क्वेश्चन थिला एठी why will the mother punish the child. आंसर रे हम बा पैसिव रे why will the child be punished by the mother. ओके, सही परी WH word who रे आमे सेंटेंसेस गुडी को सॉल्व करबा. ओके, राइट डाउन इन योर कॉपी. Okay, another sentence will be taken for an example. Okay, so see. The children will pluck the flowers. जदि आम आपको WH word हु रे रखिबा ताल आंसर कौन हम, क्वेश्चन कौन हम, हु विल प्लक द फ्लावर्स क्वेश्चन मार्क. सपोज आमर ए क्वेश्चन टी अच्छी ए क्वेश्चन टी ना. ओके, मो पिला माने कहितली जेते WH word हु रहिबो तारी प्लेस रे आंसर रे बाय हुम लिखा जीवो. ओके, सो बाय हुम देन मोडाल देन द फ्लावर्स देन बी देन verb 3 according to the structure I mention here. बाय लिखा जीवनी. जदि बाय मु लिखिबी ताले हु बिगिनिंग रे मेंशन करिया पड़िबो, बाय हुम नुहे. तेणु हु विल the flowers be plucked by question mark. Here is two answers from one question, active voice then passive voice. Okay, students, turn your attention to learn about future perfect in the tense future. How to solve different types of questions with a trick. Okay, here will be given an example for you to get understand how we can change the sentence if you find in the form of a future perfect. Okay, subject plus one of the modals plus have plus verb 3. Okay, if we find such a trick, subject plus one of the modals like shall or will or can, could, may, might, used to, ought to, dare, must, need, one of the modals after subject. Okay, then have, then verb 3, then we can say that the sentence is remained in the form of a future perfect. Okay, then its formula will be in the voice change, in the passive voice, object plus one of the modals, then have, then been, then were, 3 form. Okay, here is built the formula to change the questions from active voice to passive voice if we find in the future perfect form. Okay, here is given the example for you. The police will have caught the thief. Okay, here is a question. This question will be changed from active voice to passive voice. So according to this trick, we can solve or we can get the answer easily. Okay, here is subject, then one of the modals, will is remained, then have, then were 3. So according to this trick, object plus one of the modals, have plus been plus were 3. If we write, then we can get the answer. Okay, so see, the thief will have been caught by the police. Okay, then in negative sentence, if we find, then automatically it will be changed, okay, by adding not after will. Okay, so see here another sentence which is remained in the negative sentence. The police won't or will not have caught the thief. Okay, so this sentence also will be changed according to this formula. Okay, only not will be applied after modal. Okay, so answer will be the thief won't have been caught by the police. Okay, also we can solve another sentences which are in the interrogative sentence or WH word based interrogative sentences. Okay, see. Here is the example. He will have collected old books. Okay, its answer will be like before, old books will have been collected by him. If this sentence I will keep in the interrogative sentence, will he have collected old books? This sentence is remained in an interrogative sentence, and it is the job for us how to change from active voice to passive voice now. So by the help of this formula we can change easily this question. Okay, so we should write in the beginning because it is an interrogative sentence. So will in the beginning, will old books have been collected by him, question mark. Okay, Then another sentence also we can solve if we find in the beginning WH word, all WH words except who. In active voice, why will he have collected old books? Okay, so already told to you before in 1, 2, 3 videos, okay, 1, 2 videos, okay, so that if we find in WH word, it will be hidden. It will be easy for us to get the answer. After writing the answer, we can apply in the beginning the same WH word, so it will be your answer, okay, in the form of a passive voice. Okay, so will old books have been collected by him? Just I add here after writing the answer why. Okay, the question was why will he have collected old books? Why? The answer will be why will old books have been collected by him. Okay, again see the WH word who. How we can solve if we find. Okay, suppose here the question who will have done this work. Okay, here is active voice. In passive voice it will be by whom will be kept in the place of who, by whom, then will, then this work, then have been done, question mark. Okay, if we add in the beginning only who, the answer will be who will this work have been done by. Here is a completed part 3. I suggest to you to watch part 4 video, okay, in which you can find the questions in the form of imperative sentences and how to change active voice to passive voice. Okay, thanks.